my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my bammies. And for those of you who aren't familiar with bammy, it's a flatbread made from a staple called cassava. Cassava is also known as yuca in most North American countries. So there are different ways you can do it, but my favorite way is frying it. Bammy is also very good with fish. A lot of Jamaicans like to have their bammies with fish. So please watch my video till the end. If you like it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, Jerry's Kitchen, and please turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the bammy. I have a pack of bammy. So this one actually have about 8 pieces, and these are the mini bammies. But this is the traditional one. So these we just cut them in 4 equal parts. We have some coconut milk, salt, pepper, and vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna use this one and save this one for another day. So I'm actually cutting them in 4 equal parts. Gonna mix it up. And we're gonna soak the bammies for about 2 minutes just to get it a little bit soft. The coconut milk and vanilla has add extra flavor to it. So I'm ready to take them out now, and I'm just gonna set them on a paper towel just to absorb some of the coconut milk. If you put it in straight away and the oil is gonna splash and you don't want to get burned, all right? Okay, now the oil is ready. So I'm going to fry them on about 4 minutes on each side. So we should get a beautiful golden brown color, right? I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. So this goes well with some Ecsoviech fish or codfish, you know, whatever your preference is. And this Bammy is available in any Caribbean store all over the states. So it's very easy to find, all right? So this is all ready now. And I'm gonna put it on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. See how pretty it is? Oh my God. Now it's all done. You see how pretty it looks? Just the right color. Absolutely delicious. Wow, amazing. Let me just break off a piece. See, it's not greasy, just the right texture. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. So good. If you like my video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, bye guys.